If you have ever thought of becoming a paid keynote speaker, you are in the right classroom. So stop here and let me tell you 4 ways to become a paid keynote speaker. But first things first, my name is Jess. I'm a Forbes top rated speaker, founder of Mic Drop Workshop. I've helped thousands of women launch and grow their speaking careers because only 30% of paid keynote speakers are women, and I'm on a mission to change that. So step one, solve a problem. Just like any product you buy, from shampoo to the dog leash for your pet, it has to solve a problem for you. So your speech is no different. Start thinking about what problem do you want to solve for the world. Step two, what story do you have? Because a lesson without a story is just a lecture. So how can you personalize it? What were some times in your life where you experienced this problem and what did you do about it? Step three, take out the lessons from that story. So what was the time that you personally learned the lesson that you are trying to teach others? Because that's the thing about speaking, is it's about using your story to help people in their story. So take out those lessons. We call this moment to meaning. What was the moment where you learned something, and what's the meaning where you can teach others? Step four, start claiming the word speaker. This is something you can start doing today. Post it, change your bio on your LinkedIn to include the word speaker. Put it in your email signature, put it on a business card if you still use business cards. No matter what, just start claiming that you're a speaker, because people can't book you to speak if they don't know you're a speaker. If you want more of this, I want to help you. Hit the link below, register for my free training, and I will see you there.